Hi, everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back to share a project. This is actually a VR for crafting with Liller's, I think it's 10,000 giveaway, 10,000 subscriber giveaway challenge. You have to make a treat bag and a layered tag. So this is my take, and she wanted you to use mint green, pink, coral are the colors. Now this one has a pop of blue, so I hope that's okay. I didn't really realize I wanted a house on here. I didn't realize once I put the house down that it was really blue. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, this is my treat bag, and this is my bag that I made for my Valentine's Day masks. When I made the masks, I put them in an envelope very similar to this one. Now she has a tutorial linked on her website on how to make a treat bag, and hers doesn't close, it's just open at the top. But I do like the option of being able to close the bag, so that's just how I do it. And I'll probably put a little Velcro on there so she could keep it closed. I used Maggie Holmes' Willow Lane collection for this because I really decided to use my stash. So I actually opened up the Willow Lane gift wrap book, and I used the gift wrap to make this treat bag. And then I also used the ephemera and the chipboard. So this is the ephemera, and then this is the chipboard. I used a doily from my stash. I actually somewhere have Martha Stewart mint doilies, but I cannot find them. So I had to go and use my regular white doilies. And then I had this scrap of mint ribbon just sitting on my desk, so that got stapled onto this ephemera piece. And then I glued down some pink pom-pom trim on the top. And this is the back of the bag. And then, like I said, I'll probably put a little piece of Velcro or something like that here to keep it closed. So then the other is the layered tag. So here's a layered tag, and this is, I used chipboard, and then I layered a piece of the wrapping paper that I used for this. I used here from Willow Lane as well. And then I used pieces of the ephemera to layer on there. So this is like a frame, and then this is a little piece that also was in there, and then the flower. And then this is a chipboard piece from the chipboard. And then I also glued down a piece of the Gold Vine Maggie Holmes trim right here. And then I sprayed it with my new favorite thing, which is this Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray in Sparkle. I do love this stuff a lot. So it is drying as I speak, so it'll give it kind of a fun look. On the flower, it's definitely got a lot of sparkle, which you probably can't see in the camera, but it's very sparkly. And so it is definitely kind of giving it like a splotchy look, which I'm fine with. I think that's kind of makes it kind of cool to give it a little bit of a different effect. And then I tied a piece of ribbon on the top. This is Stampin' Up! Ribbon I've had for 8 years or something like that. So I just tied that at the top, and then that's my entry into the challenge. So make sure that you visit Crafting with Liller and join in her challenge. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crane with a Heart.